Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania and I am here with the opportunity to give you an update on Miss Brown. So guys, I want to thank you for being a part of the channel. If this is your first time watching Chat Jamaican with Tania, please consider subscribing. You can also go onto the channel by clicking Chat Jamaican with Tania and go to see what other videos the channel has to offer. Alright, so thank you guys for always being here and coming back to watch my videos, especially my loyal subscribers. You are greatly appreciated. Alright, back to Miss Brown. Miss Brown was the young lady who met in a car accident at a tender age, and now guys, the last time on our channel we were able to come up with the funding in order for her to do her surgery. So she was about to do her surgery, but everyone keeps saying, Tania, what has been happening to Miss Brown? Why aren't you giving any update? What it is that Miss, we need to know. We need to know. So guys, I am here to let you know, to give you the update on Miss Brown so that you may have that peace of mind that you have been waiting for. Alright guys, so guys, remember, thank you for the genuine support. Thank you for always coming back to the channel, and thank you for remembering Lady Tania. So guys, I visited Miss Brown and Miss Brown was in high spirit. She's doing well, she's great. Alright, let us continue to hear and see what she has to say about her surgery and how everything went. So hi guys, we're here with Miss Brown. I know that everyone has been asking how has Miss Brown doing. So I am just here basically to give you an update as to what is happening with Miss Brown, and also Mr. and Mrs. Bryan, they have sent a contribution for her. So this would be the best time for me to come, you know, and to hand over that contribution to her. They have sent a total of 14,000 Jamaican dollars. So I am just happy and grateful that I'm here to give her and to support her with the opportunity. So Miss Brown, how have you been?
Not too bad, not too good, hanging in there.
And
the surgery was done on my eye. It was done in last month. It's not 100%, but it's a bit better. I'm seeing a bit better. Thanks to everyone who made it possible for me to do the surgery again.
So you're able to see me now?
Yes. Not 100%.
But you're seeing me. So it would be what? 60, 50?
60.
So it would be 60% back. So the surgery went well.
Yes, and I got eye drop. I got prescription. It's 2 on it. I bought one. And when this one finish, I'm supposed to get the next one.
Oh, okay. So you're in.
I have day to go back.
Oh, so you're gonna do another surgery, or?
Most likely, it depends. They said it depends on how this one. They have to check first.
Oh, and to see. Oh, so they will monitor.
That's what follow-up.
Yeah, so you're gonna do a follow-up to see if everything is fine. So I figure that everyone will be happy to see you, and you know, they will be indeed grateful. So Miss Brown is here, guys. Any thing you want to say to everyone out there?
Thank you again. Thanks again to everybody. Thanks again. God bless you.
And also to Mr. and Mrs. Bryan.
Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Bryan, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, so it will help out, and I think it's the best time for me to do an update, to see what is happening, to see how well you are. Alright, so it's indeed a pleasure.
The challenges are still here, but I'm hanging in there.
Yes.
One day at a time.
But you're looking
mature.
Yes. Yeah, yes. Alright, so Bryan still stop by though, now and then.
Yes, Mr. Bryan every day.
Okay. Alright then. It was happy seeing you. I know that others will be happy too. So So it's indeed a great opportunity to come at this time. Alright?
Drive carefully back home.
Yeah, man,
Are you
definitely.
alone?
No, the children come with me,
Okay.
as
You know
usual.
my daughter there? Oh, next door.
Oh, probably they find like they're around that side where the swing is.
No man, next door. Oh, she was around there.
No, I'm saying that my children, they're around that
And
side.
if she hear them, she will come over.
Yes, yes.
And last time she said, "Mommy, them a come back, come play with me." I'm your cousin, that mommy. My cousin.
Alright, so say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Alright. So guys, there you have it. Miss Brown is doing well and she's seeing out of her eyes. She's not seeing 100%, but glory to God, she's able now to be seen. So guys, that is a great accomplishment, and we just want to thank you all for your support and your love, for contributing to her, and to the donor that just contributed, Mr. and Mrs. Brian. We want to thank you for donating. All right guys, so thank you for the continual support in everything, and it is truly appreciated. So now you have been given the update on Miss Brown, and I am so proud of the outcome and everything that has happened. But guys, in the meantime, I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more. Bye. Take care.